You're looking at the RARE 1958 Chevrolet Apache ShortBed Fleetside with the Napco 4x4 package. This truck is also an original V8 truck and still has the 283 in it. It's a barn find, just remarkably well preserved in some areas. Definitely needs some attention in the others. We'll point all those out in this video. Overall, a very straight truck, very complete truck, brand new tires and wheels. Has the original bed strips and wood, which will need to be replaced. Original heavy duty bumper. There's some, the truck was restored once before, looks like a number of years ago. There's the usual rust in the cab corners. There's fiberglass on the inside of those cab corners. You have some rust here on the front fender, along the top as well. This is probably the worst area of rust here, where it's been filled over many years ago. A little bit on this side as well, and almost the same area as on the front fender as the other side. The running boards, light's not great over here, but you notice the running boards do have some rust holes in them. Cab corners are intact but have been glassed over from the inside. Look how nicely that door fits though. Again, the bed is in original condition. Oh. You see the original Napco transfer case there. 4-speed manual transmission. Original front and rear axle. You'll also notice too that the cross member is riveted to the frame. Let's take a look inside. Here's the VIN. You notice with the original VIN, that's a V8 truck. Door panels are very nice. Glass is intact with one crack in the vent window here. Seat, which was reupholstered many years ago. The headliner is in perfect condition. The dash is in very nice shape. Original steering wheel. All your knobs and buttons are intact. Your heaters here. Original 4-speed tranny and transfer case controls. The brake system on this truck is defunct because of a broken tube off the master cylinder, so the buyer will need to do that, but shouldn't be too big of a deal. Very nicely preserved truck. Very nice candidate for restoration. 1958 Chevrolet 3100 ShortBed Fleetside Napco.